Hi guys, so I bought this oil filter from eBay that supposedly is OEM almost spec. So it's an alternative to the original one. So I cut it open to see what was inside. So I used my Dremel to cut it up open. And you can see there's some good spring action there. It's like a good 1/4 of an inch of spring. So it has its nice thick metal plate and at the check valve, so the oil in the oil filter stays in there for when you first turn on the car, doesn't start dry. Then it has this nice metal cap filter with the check valve in the bottom, so feels nice and sturdy there. And I counted the ribs, so it has like 57 ribs. And then it has a metal spring on the bottom. And that's it. So doesn't look too bad. I have seen other videos of the original Honda oil filters being cut open, and I noticed that on the other ones here, this is cardboard, whether this one has metal on it, so doesn't look too bad. So I got 12 for $35, so we'll see how they work.